Not everyone has natural wisdom. Most of them need to study hard to become a smart person, but without you realizing there are a few people who have natural wisdom without having to work hard. Let's find out if you are one of those naturally intelligent people. First, think before you talk. Wise people are rarely careless whether in speech or action. Even in an emotional state, intelligent people are better at controlling it than less intelligent people. This is because they think about the bad and good impact of the words they will throw. Therefore, they think first before saying something. Second, think deeply before making a decision. Wise people will usually think far. Therefore, these people rarely make a wrong decision because they have thought about the good and the bad beforehand. Smart people are good at making assumptions and possibilities that will happen from a situation. So, they can definitely conclude a correct decision. 3. Apologize in advance. They easily control their emotions in any situation. Smart people don't only think about themselves but also think about others. They find it hard to hold grudges and therefore they think apologizing first reflects a person's honor and glory. While people who are not wise will think that apologizing in advance lowers their dignity and reputation. 4. Always feeling curious. Smart people usually often feel curious about something they go through. This is where they sharpen their minds to think more deeply and openly than before. Smart people will often think to find answers to their curiosity instead of being inquisitive like a lazy person. From here they can also collect and gain new knowledge within themselves. 5. See life as a never-ending learning. Smart people will feel that life is an endless learning as long as our life goes on. This is because wherever we can learn something, no matter the time and place, it should teach us why it happened and how it happened. This makes them open-minded and not shy to learn something new. They can think about the cause and effect of something happening. Mature person is not a smart person, but a smart person is definitely a mature person. So, having observed, are you a naturally intelligent person? That's all for my sharing this time. Hope it's useful and thank you for watching. I hope we meet again in the next video.